it's Arena. I hope you guys are all doing well. I am back with another video, and today I am super excited because I am partnering up with LINJER jewelry to review some of their pieces. And if you know me, you know that I am a massive jewelry fan. I have so many different pieces of jewelry, and I've slowly been building my like everyday collection, and I've just been like loving a lot of their pieces. They're a female owned brand, so I was super excited to work with them and try out some of their pieces for you guys. But I ended up actually getting like 2 of their tennis kind of pieces. So I just have their tennis bracelet and their tennis necklaces. They match, and if you know me, you know I like anything wrapped in diamonds. And I've been wanting a tennis bracelet and like a crystal necklace for the longest time. So I'm so glad that I found these pieces because they're so affordable and they're so good quality. Because I haven't taken this bracelet off since the day that I got it. I normally don't like wearing jewelry like when I shower and stuff like that, just because it kind of like annoys me. But then because this bracelet is like literally so dainty, it's almost impossible for me to put it on myself. And like taking it on and off is so annoying that I ended up just like keeping it on. And I literally love it. I wear it when I'm in the shower, I wear it when I play sports, and honestly, I don't know what it is, but sometimes like I'll just look down at my wrist and I'll see this bracelet and it will make me so happy. Because I just love diamonds. I just love sparkly, shiny, pretty things. And I'll literally just look down and just admire it because it's so perfect. I have actually been super obsessed with this. You don't understand. So I love it. So gorgeous. And of course I got the matching tennis necklace as well. I wear this like Sarah and Sebastian necklace every single day, so I wanted something that was easy to stack with it. I feel like this is like the perfect type of like thin tennis necklace, because I've actually wanted like a crystal necklace for a while now, but I was scared that if I got one that was like too big, it would draw too much attention kind of away from this necklace. And I feel like because it's like simple, I feel like it's just perfect for stacking, which I love. I will say one thing about the tennis necklace is that like sometimes because it's a choker, it does kind of like annoy me. Like I can feel it on my neck and I'll take it off. But I prefer this length, so I'm always going to wear it at this length, but I'm just not used to always having a choker on, so sometimes it irritates me. But honestly, there are also days where like I won't even remember that I have it on, or I won't even care and I'll just leave it and I'll just shower, because I shower with this one on. I don't take this necklace off ever. So this one, like, there are days where I'll just leave it on, but I am not used to wearing a choker every day, so it comes on and off, whereas this one always stays on. I wear them in the shower, when I go to the sauna, when I play like sports and I sweat like crazy when I'm playing badminton and stuff like that. But I keep them on and I feel like they have held up so well. They still look brand new and they're sparkly and absolutely gorgeous, so I love it. And I will say the one thing that I did notice about these tennis like bracelet and necklaces are that sometimes like little fluffs do get caught between the crevices. It doesn't annoy me that much, but I thought I would like take note of that. Sometimes little material and fabrics will get caught between them. It doesn't really bother me, but it is like something that does happen. And both pieces came with these cute little pink pouches with the brand stamped on it, which I think is like perfect for traveling. They're like small and compact, so they'll keep your jewelry like nice and safe, and they don't take up too much room, which I really like. Super cute and adorable. But yeah, I've actually been really loving their pieces. Would definitely suss out some more, but let's just go through like all of my other jewelry pieces. And we'll start with my bracelets. So of course I have my gorgeous LINJER tennis bracelet, which I love, and then I like to stack it with my Vivienne Westwood, like, I'm not too sure what it's called, but I got this for me and my sister, so I got me and her a matching one, and I just think it's so gorgeous. I love the little satin orb that dangles. It is chunky, so it does get annoying once in a while, and the clasp is like low-key annoying to put on because you have to like wrap it around and clasp it, but I've learned how to do it after wearing it so many times. I will say that with Vivienne Westwood jewelry, it is so expensive, but it's custom jewelry, so it's like made out of brass and it's rusting, which I'm low-key super upset about because like some of the gold is fading, and I just want like nice jewelry that I can wear every day and it will look like pretty. But my Vivienne Westwood bracelet is like a little bit rusted. I still think it's gorgeous, but yeah, it's a bit rusted. And then I like to wear my Vivienne Westwood watch, which I thrifted in Japan. I love it. Has a little keyring, which is just so cute. But yeah, I thrifted this in Japan, in Harajuku, I think. Absolutely gorgeous. And on my other hand, I just have this little bracelet that I got with my friend in Korea. We got matching bracelets, and it's just like a cute little gold heart, and then it has little white crystals and then gold beads throughout. I just think it's perfect. And then I got this little bracelet. My dad actually got me this bracelet in Japan, and it's my favorite bracelet ever because it's purple and then like has gold and clear crystals on it, and I think different like crystals are meant to manifest different things, so I like it. It's just a little meaning, and my dad bought it for me, so I love. And then we'll go through my necklaces. These are the 2 necklaces that I wear every day, and then these 2 pieces, like, yeah, they normally don't come off. This one sometimes, as I mentioned, if it annoys me I'll take it off, but like normally I'll keep these 2 pieces on. I just have the tennis necklace and then my Sarah and Sebastian celestial Libra necklace because I'm a Libra. It looks like a little house, which I think is really cute. It's my favorite. But yeah, have been loving how these 2 look together. And then I just have rings. I don't really wear rings all the time. I just wear them when I remember to wear them because they kind of annoy me. But I do really want to invest in some good quality rings that I could like wear all the time and not have to worry about. But I think I picked these 2 up in Korea. I bought them with my like the trip that I bought this bracelet with. But I really like anything that's like moon, like night sky, star kind of themed. Hence the Vivienne Westwood. I just like celestial moon stuff. It's just my vibes. I really like stuff like that. But I have a little moon ring with a dangly star, which is super cute, and then like this cute little star, and then it has like 2 crystals on the side as well, which I think is so adorable. And then I have this ring here. I think I bought this like online. I don't remember if it was like YesStyle or like a different website, because I've had this for ages, but I'm pretty sure I bought it online. But it's like a little crystal ring and then a little dangly star, which is so pretty. And then my mum gave me this little pinky ring, which I think was hers when she was younger, but I really like it because I'm pretty sure this is like really good quality because she's passing it down to me, and it's opal, which is my birthstone, so I've really been liking it. And then my earrings, I really also want some good quality earrings because like I always wear like costume earrings because when I was younger I really liked like big dramatic statement earrings, so they would always be like really nice costumey jewelry. But I feel like recently I've gotten more into like subtle, softer pieces, so I do want like a lot more good quality nice pieces. But I think I got most of these like overseas as well, like when I was traveling, and of course they're moon and star themed. I actually made this one, and then I think I had 2 that I made, but I lost one of them, so now I just have this moon, and then I have a little like star. I like this type of earring, like these huggy ring earrings, because I feel like they just like don't budge and they're the most comfortable in my opinion. And then I have this little one that like dangles. It's like a little dangling chain with a like diamante star on it, and then this one's like a sparkle star and then a little dangly crystal, which I also really like. I have 2 piercings. I only have 2 piercings on both sides. I used to have my like cornea, I don't remember what it is called, like the one up here pierced, but that one closed up ages ago. But that's kind of like all my everyday jewelry that I like to wear. I do kind of want to build up my collection to have more quality pieces that I can wear every day and like not take off. But so far I've been really loving the LINJER addition to my everyday jewelry. I honestly think that they've just been adding so much to like the pieces that I already have, and I just love that they're good quality and I don't have to take them off. And I feel like the fact that like every single time I look at this bracelet and it makes me happy, I do want to like kind of get more nice good quality bracelets just to wear like all the time, because I did not realize how much I liked having bracelets like on me at all times. But yeah, that is kind of my review for LINJER jewelry. So far really loving it. Has held up so well with my everyday life and has added like so much to my current pieces, and honestly jewelry makes me really happy. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I also actually have a discount code, so if you want to pick up your own pieces from LINJER jewelry, feel free to use my discount code ArenaLuu. I will write it up on the screen for you guys, or click the link down in the bio. But I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye!